Today, we are going to create something new. First of all, look at this channel. They are uploading only cat videos. They have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views. You can clearly see these cat videos are getting millions of views. People are creating AI cat videos and earning thousands of dollars from YouTube. If you ask me, AI cat video channels are the best right now. They are trending a lot. Today, I will show you how you can easily and simply make these kinds of cat videos. Just look at my cat videos. They are made from only one image, and I converted that image into a video. You can also make cat videos like this. It's a totally new and simple method. If you don't miss any part of this video, you will fully understand how to make such videos. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and click the bell icon. So, let's begin. Let me show you how to make AI cat videos. How to create stunning free images. Using Pixelman and Leonardo AI first, open both Leonardo AI and Pixelman websites. Leonardo AI gives you 150 free credits to generate images. Pixelman is a completely free website where you can create unlimited images without any cost. Step-by-step guide. Go to Pixelman. Open Pixelman and select the size of your image depending on what you need. I usually select 9:16 for vertical images. Use the prompt paste the following prompt in the text box. A softly lit, intimate lounge with chandeliers casting a golden hue. On a polished wooden dance floor, two elegant anthropomorphic cats move in sync. Leonard, the red-brown furred tomcat in a tailored dark red suit, and Celestina, the blue and white furred graceful cat in a flowing deep sapphire gown. Leonard's paw rests gently on Celestina's back, guiding her with calm confidence. Her sea-green eyes are half closed in the moment, her tail swaying softly with the rhythm. Their foreheads are nearly touching. They are surrounded by soft candlelight, blurred figures of guests in the background, and the warm ambience of love and jazz. Generate the image, click on Generate, and your beautiful AI image will appear. Additionally, if you want to create your own prompts, for example, you open ChatGPT here and write something like, "Both cats are dancing," or you can create a prompt for me to give you. Or if the cats are drinking tea, you can make a prompt for that too. But the images generated from these prompts might not turn out as expected. You need to carefully look at my prompts and understand them well. Now, I am going to create a prompt for another image on LearnDo AI, and here's the prompt for the second image. The prompt is very important, so please pay close attention to it first. A lively and mischievous anthropomorphic cat sits at a modern office desk, dressed in a slightly loosened business shirt and tie, radiating energy and charm. Its bright, expressive eyes sparkle with enthusiasm as it playfully types on a keyboard, occasionally spinning around in its office chair or throwing a cheeky grin at the viewer. Steam swirls dramatically from its oversized coffee mug, which it lifts every few moments for a refreshing sip before diving back into its work with exaggerated excitement. Its fluffy tail sways animatedly behind it, occasionally knocking over a pencil or flicking a document off the table. The office environment is stylish yet slightly chaotic, featuring a large monitor displaying colorful graphs or playful doodles, scattered sticky notes, and an open notebook filled with quirky sketches. The lighting is warm and dynamic, enhancing the vibrant personality of the cat. Rendered using powerful engines like Unreal Engine, Octane Engine, or V-Ray for highly detailed textures, fur, and cinematic lighting effects. On Leonardo AI, just need to paste the prompt and your image will be generated. Look how good the image turned out. After that, 3 prompts will appear on the screen. Remember, prompts are very important. If you copy and paste these same prompts, the image will be created in high quality and look amazing. Third image, prompt. A cute cat wearing a detailed army uniform with camouflage patterns, a military helmet on its head, and holding a small toy rifle in its paws. The cat stands confidently in front of a line of proud army soldiers dressed in full uniform, standing at attention. The background shows a military base or parade ground, with a patriotic and heroic atmosphere. Realistic lighting, rich colors, and a slightly cinematic tone. I will now paste this image prompt into Piclumen and it will generate an image. Look how amazing the result is. After creating all the images, now we will convert them into a video. To make videos, there are 4 websites you can use. They all allow you to make videos for free using daily credits. Runway, MLSART, AI Kling, AI, Hailuo, AI. Today, I will use Hailuo AI. The benefit of this site is that when you create a new Gmail account and sign in, it gives you 1,100 free credits. And even if you use a new Gmail ID later, it still gives you 100 free credits. The videos created with it are high quality. So first, I will open Hailuo AI, go to Create Video, upload the image, and write. Now write prompt here. Both cats are dancing and some natural moments. Then I will click on Create 30 credits to start generating the video. Next, I will upload the second image and write, now write prompt. The cat is drinking a cup of tea and smiling. Again, I will click Create 30 credits to generate the second video. In this way, I've created 3 videos. You can use this method to make your own high-quality videos easily. Look how smooth and clear the video looks. So this is how you can create amazing videos from your images. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will show you another new method. Thanks for watching.